Good morning, people of God, and welcome to a new vlog. Okay, right, guys. This what's the time? Let me check. Hold on, let me check the time. So this chair is for you to climb. So guys, this is 25 minutes after 9 and Share you've eaten. Share you've eaten. You drank tea this morning. So please, my son is interrupting me. Bright, allow me now. Very soon now start washing plates for me. So guys, this morning I am craving jollof rice. Yes, and I think I have everything. And I think I have everything I need to make the jollof rice in the house here. So this early morning, I'm craving jollof rice. And yesterday I was craving beans, hot beans. So I made the beans. This morning I'm craving jollof. And that, shut up your mouth. And that jollof rice, I think I'm going to eat with this my leftover beans from yesterday. So guys, welcome to a new vlog. Guys, just took the lights and I need light to blend my ginger, garlic, my pepper mix. I need light, seriously. So I think I'm going to on Jane when it gets to that. Oh yeah, come down. Okay. Trying to boil water for my white rice. That's enough. That is enough. Guys, let me cut my onions for my jollof rice. Guys, my leftover beans. I'll just put it in the freezer. When we go downstairs, I'll buy cheese ball for you. Hooray! Hooray! So guys, I'm done cutting my onions. I have leftover goat meat in the freezer, so that's what I want to use. Just little jollof rice. That's what I'm making. Thank you. Kitchen assistant. So I need to steam my goat meat. I'm just trying to steam my goat meat. Let me steam my goat meat so that it will bring out. This is my time. So something to bring out the juice from it. I'm not going to put it on fire. And to bring out its own sweet cheese. Meat stock. To bring out its own meat stock. So guys, next I need to peel my ginger. I'll just use a little. Since the rice I'm cooking is just small, something very small. know that this one is too much. Light, you're making noise. They're just small. I'll be using. Just brought out from the fridge. That's where I store my red pepper. So guys, I want to add carrots just to spice things up a little, you know. So I'm going to add carrots. I don't have green beans. I would have loved if I had green beans as well. I don't have. Last time I had green beans in my house, I didn't make it for it. I left it there till it got spoiled. So since then I've not, and now since then I've not gotten another one, and now I need it. It's nowhere to be found. Okay, I forgot to show you. This is my pepper mix. I add pepper, shombo, ginger and garlic. So I'm going to grind it. So guys, I'm done with my carrots, my sachet tomato. Guys, I'm a short girl, please. Temper justice. Making use of this too. So guys, I need to on the journal.